Ayan, kamusta po kayong lahat? Ma-beauty? Ma-beauty, ayan. So, ang mga Atomians ay laging maganda at syempre, gwapo rin po sila because they're using our Atomy product. So, sino na po ang na-in-love sa ating mga products? Pakitaas po yung kamay. Okay, very good. Sa mga hindi po nagtaas, nako, it's time for you to try our Atomy products. Tama po? Okay, ayan. So, without further ado, let's proceed with my presentation. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo po ba yung nasa harap or nasa PowerPoint? Ayan. So, mayroon tayong dalawang magagandang ladies. Okay, yung isa, medyo malungkot. So, bakit po kaya? Bakit po kaya siya malungkot? Ayan, umalis na ako para makita nyo sila. Okay, ayan. So, yung isa is having hyperpigmentation. Okay. So, ngayon, ma'am, ano po ba yung dahilan bakit meron tayong hyperpigmentation? Hindi gumamit ng sunscreen. Ayan. So, pag di po kasi kayo gumamit ng sunscreen, no, there will be an overproduction of what we call melanin. Ngayon, dahil doon, yung skin mo, magpuproduce pa siya ng melanin at lalabas siya dito sa ating epidermis, no? Ngayon, masusunog siya, mag-oxidize. Kaya magkakaroon kayo ng pekas. Ayan. So, ang hirap po alisin, no? Yung pekas at very naiirita ka rin, no? To parang confront or magkaroon ng meeting with your members. Ngayon, ayan. So, we have here our amazing Atomy Absolute Snow. Sino na pong gumagamit ng Atomy Absolute Snow? Ayan, very nice po, no? But I can see few people using this one. Ngayon, sinasabi mo, morena naman ako, I love my skin. Tama po? Para lang yan sa mga mapuputi. But you know what? Our Atomy Absolute Snow, the Atomy Absolute Snow set isn't about changing yan yung good news po, no? Changing your natural skin tone or forcing a whiter look. So, hindi po siya bleaching. And then, it brightens and clarifies by reducing excess melanin where it's uneven, like dark spots, pigmentations, or dullness. It protects and repairs antioxidants and advanced technology defend against UV and pollution damage, and also it hydrates and strengthens, so nourishing the skin barriers so it stays smooth, plump, and radiant. Kasi kung titignan nyo po, no, merong mga iba, no, that they are having gorgeous morena skin, but then they're also having pigmentation. Tama po? Okay, so sino po yung may mga kakilalang maraming ganyan? It's time for you to introduce this product. Okay, so I want you to please listen kasi ang dami pong slides nito, inaral ko po siya, hindi na ako natulog. Ayan, hindi, natulog ako, pero you know, ang hirap din niyang aralin. But I wanted the product to be used by our fellow Atomians, okay? So it's more like polishing a gem. Oh, gems po tayo. Changing its color but making it shine at its best. So, yung goal po talaga nito is a glow, not a change. Okay? In other words, if your skin is naturally fair, Snow Set helps it look clear and vibrant. If your skin is naturally medium or deep, it enhances radiance and evens tone without stripping away your unique color. Maganda po ba yun? Maganda. Ngayon, ang i-discuss ko po is the 6 features of Atomy Absolute Snow. First is the home derma. Second, skin science. Next is the 10 ingredients. All day, all night professional care. Fifth, clinical trial results. So meron pa pong proof na makikita nyo later on. And then, of course, our olfactory family, the elegant and subtle fragrance ng ating product. Kasi napaka-bango po nito, no? The Absolute Cell Active Set is very mabango, tama po? And even our set, our Snow Set. Okay, so sa home derma, isn't it wonderful that you can have your own beauty salon in your houses? Maganda po, di ba? So, kung makikita nyo, Siyempre po, no? Kung makikita nyo dito, no, meron po siyang parang katumbas sa beauty salon. So, we will be focusing on the 5 items doon sa set, which is, first, the Absolute Snow Toner. So, ang katumbas po niyan is brightening peel. Okay, sino po dito yung nagpapapeel sa salon pa? Oh, maganda, wala. Okay, so we have this one. You can use this one. Next is our Absolute Snow Dark Spot Corrector. Sino po yung mga lover ng dark spot corrector na ito? May I see a raise of hands? Ayun, madami. Okay, so marami pong proofs dyan. Pwede nyo po silang tanungin. And then, whitening injection. So, hindi na po invasive yung procedure na gagawin natin para pumuti ka. So, we have here the Absolute Snow Serum. And then, sa hydration naman po, kasi pag hydrated ang skin, mag-glow po yan. So, ano po yung ginagamit natin? Absolute Snow Day Cream. For regeneration is the Absolute Snow Night Cream. And then also we have our, pero wala po siya sa set, no? The Soothing Mask. And of course, ano po yung importante? The protection, which is need po yan na hindi po want. Need, see, sunscreen. Okay? So you can use also some of our, yung nasa website po natin na sunscreen. Okay. So next is the skin science behind it. Ano po ba yun? The 8-step whitening mechanics. Ngayon, there is a video in YouTube if you want the detailed one, no, you can search about this one. But then I'll just briefly discuss each of it. So core technology that comprehensively brightens skin, ito po yung cell-active core technology natin from also the Absolute set. Ngayon, malalaman natin kung ano po ba siya later on dun sa ingredient. And then increased oxygen levels in skin for clear and even complexion. Oxygen actually, without oxygen sa skin natin, no, it's very hard to have or regenerate a new skin. So you will look aged. Very old na po. Ang masaklap, ma'am, pag mas mukha kang matanda kaysa sa edad mo. Okay? Next is the 3 and 4, which is also, parang similar na rin po sila. Inhibits melanin enzyme production and it also impedes the melanin enzyme activity. Next po is the it brightens melanin pigments that have already set in the skin. So it's very good, lalo na sa mga may existing pekas na po, no? This is a good news. And then 6 stratum corneum care to brighten a dull complexion. Ano ba yung stratum corneum na yan? Narinig ko ito kay Ma'am Lizelle. Ano yung stratum corneum? So it is the pinaka-top doon sa epidermis natin. Or in other words, the dead skin cells po yan. And then, care for darkened skin caused by passage of time. So sa mga ating young at heart, na meron na pong malalim na, ano po yan, pekas, it's good news because this is very effective para po sa inyo. And then last but not the least is the instant skin tone-up effect. So if you will be using this one, no, mabilis na po yung pag-lighten ng ating skin. It's a good news po, no? Right? Yes. Okay. And ito naman po, yung next is the 10 raw ingredients or ingredients ng product na ito. So I will be discussing this one in a more detailed way, no? So dito po sa Cell Active Brightening Code, yan po, familiar po kayo dyan, no? Doon sa Absolute set. So besides the Cell Active technology that we have, which targets po, no, yung ano natin, yung parang problems or areas na may problems sa skin natin, no? We have the brightening code. So yung mixture po ng ingredients na andito na nakikita nyo po, no? It is mixed with an optimum ratio. So hindi lang po siya basta-basta minix. Okay? Next po is our oxygenose skin. So this one is patented po ito, ha? It's patented. So this came from this ingredient, nasturtium. Oh, na plant. Nakikita po siya sa mga plants like tomatoes. Okay, so it's very good po sa skin yung tomatoes, tama po? Okay, so because of this one, it's patented. There is this, what we call in our product, defensive whitening. So it reduces UV absorption and melanin synthesis. So the product itself also helps with protecting our skin, not only the sunscreen. Okay, and the next, regenerative whitening. Sa gabi naman po yan. So habang natulog ka, after this one, no, there is skin repair and may anti-aging effect siya. Okay, so ganun po kaganda yung product natin. Next is the Paonia lactiflora, if you're familiar po. Kasi hindi ako familiar sa Luminar. Pero Paonia lactiflora, it's similar, no? What it does, it has antioxidant effect. And the melanin production inhibiting effect din po. So hindi po masyadong mag-e-excess yung ating melanin para hindi po masunog at maging pekas. Okay, sino po dito ang dermatologist? Natakot na ako bigla. May dermatologist po ba tayo? Buti na lang. Ayan. Pero totoo po yun. Ni-research ko po yan. So if you know a dermatologist, no, you can present this one. She will let you know how beautiful our products is. Ngayon, meron din ito. So after na nung mga ingredients na yung 8 yun, no? 8 ba yun? Yeah. Okay, so ito po yung paggamit. Kasi ito po yung question na hindi nasasagot minsan sa mga gumagamit. Kaya, nagkakaroon sila ng pekas, biniblame nila yung product. Ngayon, paano po ba yung paggamit? Sa umaga po, snow toner, then snow serum, and then snow day cream, kasi may day cream for the protection, no? Kasi mino-moisture, nalalak yung moisture doon. And then our sunscreen. Okay, so you can use our Sun Essence and then the regular sunscreen because we still don't have this one in our website. Sige, picturean nyo po. Tapos na po ba mag-picture? Next is our night care. So you can use na po except yung day cream. So the toner, the dark spot corrector, the snow serum. Pag meron po tayong facial mask, you can use any besides this one, and then snow night cream. And then tulog na po. Wag na po munang manood ng K-drama. Yan, kasi kailangan may beauty sleep tayo. Next is this one, no. So after this, meron din po tayong clinical trial results. Ito medyo mahirap po ito kasi clinical trial results, no. Ini-study ko kasi puro graph. That one, so I'll proceed with it. Okay. So, ito po, look at the numbers. Dapat mahilig. Kayo pong business owners, mahilig po kayo sa numbers. Kaya sa ating products, numbers din po ang titignan natin. So, in the reduction of pigmentation or yung melanin on skin surface, 21.43% po yung reduced na melanin natin for 4 weeks of using the whole set. Okay, whole set. Dapat po diligent kayo kung meron kayong set, wag yung parang paputol-putol. You have to use it continuously and the whole set. Pag di nyo po kasi ginamit yung whole set, you cannot really see the effect of the product. Kasi kung halimbawa, gusto ko ng toner and then this one, it's not really. Meron po, actually, kasi may mga gumagamit lang ng dark spot corrector, it has effect. But then, kung gusto nyong mas maganda, mas mabilis, you use the whole set. So, ito po yung parang improvement niya. Nakikita nyo po ba? Subject 8 and subject 20. So, 2 subjects po yan, no? Before and then after. Before and then after. Medyo hindi po siya tignan nyo na lang po sa online. Pero yan po, the numbers are not lying. Next is ito. Ito mas kita po yan, no? 15.94% improvement of old dark spots. Old dark spots po yan, ha? Hindi lang yung parang very light. Blemishes and freckles is confirmed. So, 4 weeks of using din also the whole set. Ito po siya. Then 4 weeks after, you can see po yung difference, especially subject 5. Okay. And then yung mga subject din po pala natin, they are outside Atomy. Hindi po sila members ng Atomy para maiwasan po yung bias. Okay po? So ganyan po siya kaganda. Next. Ayun. So tapos na tayo sa clinical trial results. Ito naman po yung ating scent. Sino na pong nakaamoy doon sa snow? Buksan nyo na po yung mga snow ninyo. Naamoy nyo po kanina yung mga nakuha ninyong product a while ago? Mabango po siya, no? It's very, hindi po siya yung synthetic na amoy. It is very natural, mild, light. Napakabango po niya. So yung top note po niyan is the bergamot and the neroli. The middle note is the gardenia, rose, jasmine. And the base note is sandalwood, vanilla, and musk. Mahilig po ako sa musk. It's very nice po yung amoy niyan. Okay, versus Shalin. Kaya kahit di na kayo magpabango minsan. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yun, maganda po yung amoy niya. Okay, so, ito po yung line ng ating, product line ng ating set. We have here toner, serum, the day cream, night cream, and then yun po yung ano natin, yung spot dark spot corrector, and yun po wala pa po sa set. no? Next, ayan, so si Absolute Snow Toner. Sino po ang nakagamit na ng Absolute Snow Toner? Ayan, sino pong nakakuha? Okay. Ngayon, ma'am, ako, ginagamit ko yan. I thought, para siyang yung toner ng skincare na yung nakasanayan natin. Pero this one, ma'am, gagamitan mo siya ng cotton. Kasi para siyang, ang ginagawa niya kasi, inaalis niya talaga yung dead skin cells immediately. Right after you use that one. So, hindi na po kayo magpipiling. Magpipiling gel pa rin, siguro once a week if you're using this one. Pero that one, immediate po siya. Okay, ganun po si toner. Napakaganda po, no? Okay, pero dapat mag-sunscreen kayo. Ngayon, ito po yung ginagawa niya. Hindi po siya dry, no? Right after using it, it has ultra hydration delivery system. So, toner pa rin po talaga siya. It's just that it removes the dead skin cells and then it exfoliates. So, pagkagamit mo, ma'am, pag maraming yung textured, yung skin mo, pag ginamit mo siya, malaramdaman mo, ma'am, mag-smoothen yung skin ninyo. Okay? Ngayon, ito rin yung parang ingredient for the mild texture of your skin. Sino pong familiar dito? It's saffron flower. It is used usually sa food natin or sa mga sa food, no? Parang decoration or ginagawang tea. Yan po yung saffron. And then, ito po yung parang picture, no? Siguro ang kapal po, no, ng libag nitong subject number 2 at 13 at sila ang pinili. Kasi nakikita nyo po yung difference, yung nag-glow, tama po? Okay, so pag yan, ginamit nyo, ito po yung right after, immediately after single use. Single use lang po yan. Okay, sino na pong gagamit ng snow toner? Ay, konti pa rin, natakot sila. Huwag kayong matakot, okay? So gamit na po tayo ng snow toner natin. Next is our snow serum. No? Ano po yung parang kaparehas nito? Yes, ma'am. Ayan. So yung injection, non-invasive procedure, you can use the snow serum. Sino pong may snow serum? Ayan. So hindi na po kayo magpapa-injection. Ito na po yung gagamitin ninyo. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron po siyang active trapping network. So pag yan na po yung ginamit nyo, no, it goes deep into your skin and it's moisturized all throughout. Matagal po siyang magiging moisturized. Di nyo na po masyadong kailangang lagyan ng moisture. So meron po tayong yung technology nga natin na pwede siyang malak sa loob ng ating skin. Okay? Ayan. So ito naman po, no, mabilis po siyang pumasok yung ating formula sa skin. But at the same time, paano po siya malalak? You can see it here, oil barriered form. Ganun po kaganda yung technology ni Atomy. Palakpakan po natin yung technology ni Atomy. So hindi po siya lalabas. Nasa loob lang po siya. And then also, ayan, so ito po yung Bio-Whiten. Concentrate of magnolia berry po yan, which helps whiten skin, treat redness, and improves skin tone. So makikita nyo rin po yung improvement dito. And then also the graph there, no, inhibiting effect of, nag-decrease po siya ng 25% melanin synthesis, yung pag-produce po ng melanin, compared to the control group doon sa left. Okay, 25. And then that is ilang days, hindi ko lang makita kasi ito yung nire-research ko. Pero ito po yung, di ba? Ang ganda po ng product natin. Next is this one. So meron siyang instant light refraction. Yung injection, yung non-invasive, no, itong nating serum. Meron siyang ganito na effect. Nag-glow yung skin natin. Okay? So kasi ito, alam niyo po yung glow base, di ba? Pag malayuan, pag naka-glow base yung nag-glow yung mukha, parang ang very smooth. Tama po? Sa mga gumagamit ng glow base. So this one is much better. Okay? May immediate effect na ganun sa skin natin. And then, our Snow Dark Spot Corrector. So sino po ang nakakuha ng Snow Dark Spot Corrector? Okay. Parang konti. Okay, so ito yung favorite ng mga most. Kasi yung sa mga nakikita na, yung PECAS, ito po yung ginagamit nila. Ayan. So it has active emulsion stabilization technology employed. Ano po ba yan? Nami-mix mo po, kung titignan nyo ito, meron kasi siyang ingredient na hydrophilic at lipophilic. Meaning, sa hydrophilic, no, nagmi-mix lang siya with water, lipophilic sa fats. Paano mo siya imimix at ilalagay sa skin natin? Because of this one, active emulsion stabilization technology ni Atomy. So may ilalagay mo po siya, and then ngayon, nandun lang siya, maglalak. Pag hindi po kasi moisturize ang skin natin, doon na nag-start yung aging ng skin. So ito po, para nandun lang yung moisture na ating skin. Okay? So, ayan. Yung lamella, anyways, ito medyo complicated. You can check also for yourself kung ano po ba yung mga ibang functions ng ingredients kasi hindi ko po na-discuss lahat. Marami pa siyang functions besides this one. Okay? So ito naman, another one is the alpha fluor gigawhite. Contains 7 alpine plant extract. Tignan nyo po dito sa numbers. 7 out of 100 Swiss alpine plants. So yung 7 na yun, pinili nila from out of the 100. So ganun po, kabusisi yung ginawa na pagpili dito sa ingredients na to. And as you can see dito, no, makikita nyo yung graph dito. In 12 weeks time, using alpha fluor, 5% alpha fluor gigawhite, no, produces excellent skin brightening effects after 12 weeks. Sino po yung nakakita na ng effect nito from using the snow set? Pakitaas po yung kamay. Yung gumamit po ng... Ayan. And si Ma'am Darbel daw, nakita niya yung effect nito. She's been using this one. Paano po natin mapaprove? Ayan, lapitan niyo po si Ma'am Darbel mamaya. Nakamask kasi. Tignan niyo yung effect ng ating set. Okay? So, ayan, meron din po sa kabila, it is reduced after, yung dark spots po niya is reduced after 12 weeks. Okay? Next. Ayan, makikita nyo ulit after 4 weeks of using, no, dark and pale spot reduction effect confirmed. So, 14.49 po. No? 15.83 and then 14.49% reduction. Ang kagandahan nun, hindi lang po yung dark spots, meron din po kasing function ito na good for hypopigmentation. Yun po yung nagla-lighten, hindi po siya yung dark spots, pero yun yung walang melanin. Okay? This product helps modulate that one. Kasi akala ko, this one is for hyperpigmentation only, but no. This is also good for that one. Okay? And then ito po, yung Snow Day Cream. Nagdi-deliver siya ng very good moisture sa skin natin. Okay? Ganito po yung kanyang texture. Ayan. So, radiant finish. Pag moistured kasi, napakaganda talaga. Okay. Meron din po siyang skin cooling effect para hindi po red. Pag halimbawang nababad ka no, sa labas, mainit, di ba nagre-reddish po tayo. Though minsan maganda siya kasi para kang ano, no? Parang, ano ba yun? Okay. Yung, ano ba yun? Rosy cheeks. Rosy cheeks. Pero ito, ma'am, no, yung super red, kasi hindi lang po sa cheeks minsan, even the whole face, no, it really prevents because it has skin cooling effect. Next, meron kang electric fan na nilagay sa mukha mo kasi naku-cool down. Okay, ayan. So, excellent moisturizing effect of inositol, a naturally derived ingredient. So, si inositol, si phytic acid, they are just same, just a form yung phytic acid is an inositol. Ayan. So ito, it is, ayan, yung moisture niya nag-increase. Same. Nag-increase din siya. Okay? Ngayon, yun lang naman yan, si inositol. If you want to search, you can check it on Google pa. Yung ibang function niya. Okay? So antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging effects of snow lotus. Ayan. So, contains the extract of snow lotus, a highly resilient flower that grows in snow and has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-aging effects. Ayan, so lahat na po ng kailangan natin sa skin, no, nandito na sa product na Snow Set. Okay, so improvement of skin moisture loss caused by UV radiation is confirmed 22.31 reduction. Boring po ba yung aking lecture? We have to know this one. Why? Because sometimes we have to contest with our members kasi pagyayabang nila, this is the product I'm using, it's worth 170,000, yours is cheap. Okay? So we have to contest them. We have to present this one. That's why pinagpuyatan ko po yan. No? Okay, so ito po yung last, Snow Night Cream. Okay. Rich cream, ito po, very rich po yung texture niya, unlike the day cream. Okay, so after using serum, wag yan. Okay, so ito siya. Rich cream that nourishes deeply. So, siya yung nag-help mag-regenerate ng ating skin. Okay po? So, that is used sa night. Collagen booster, collageneer. So, meron siyang pang-boost ng collagen which is called collageneer. Ayan, so makikita nyo, no? Nag-increase po siya. 21% increased production of HSP, 47 and 46% increased production of collagen. Ayan. So besides eating or drinking the inner collagen that we have, we can also use this one to boost our collagen sa skin natin. Okay po? Okay, ayan. So it helps restore damaged skin barrier and improve integral condition. So hindi lang po siya nagpurpose. Yung collagen po kasi, di ba, it protects our skin. So ito po siya. And then, moisture barrier. It really protects our skin. Confirmed effect of improving skin elasticity damaged by UV radiation. So before use ngayon, 4 weeks after using, 160% improvement in skin elasticity. Meaning, hindi po magsasag yung ating skin. It's very elastic. Okay, so youthful po yung ating, very young po yung skin natin. So, tapos na pala ako sa snow set. Ngayon, meron din po siyang katumbas sa ating body. Kasi siyempre, pag sa mukha mo lang, ang medyo nag-lighten, tapos yung katawan mo, di ba? But you can include your neck doon sa snow set. Pero sa katawan naman, dapat naman even. Tama po? Ayan, so besides using the sunscreen, we also have this. Ano po kaya ito? Hulaan nyo. Ano? Body lotion, hindi po whitening or lightening ang body lotion. Though it protects. Pero this one is, isa pa. No, ma'am. Body cleanser. Yes, ma'am. Ayan. May price ba tayo kay ma'am? Okay, yan. So, Atomy Herbal Body Cleanser. Nilagyan ko pa yan ng Santa Claus hat, ah. Bili kayong later. Okay, so, ano pong maganda dito? So, of course, we all know that this is the new packaging prior to this one, no? The package is designed, is better, and then it's bigger amount for each. Ganun po si Atomy. Lagi niyang ini-increase yung amount, ml, ng ating product. Pero parehas pa rin ang presyo. Tama po. So it's 500 ml. The ingredients are sushalin, no? Herb ingredients, lavender, rosemary, chamomile extract. Herbal ingredients, Sinidium officinale. Angelica, familiar po kayo dyan? Peony extract. So meron po siya dun sa nasa Hemohim. Okay, meron akong narinig before na explanation sa Hemohim, no? Na tinitignan nila, in-study nila kung pwede rin siyang ilagay sa skin natin. Okay, so, ayan. At napansin niyo po ba, habang ginagamit niyo ito, medyo nagsosoften yung skin. Madali na lang pong, tama ma'am, no? Nag-thumbs up si nagsosoften yung skin, napakadaling alisin ng libag. Okay. So, yung mga nakita nyo pang dito nila, nanlilimahit na sa libag, alam nyo na po yung ireregalo. Tan-tan-tan, ito po, no? Our herbal body cleanser. Okay. Ayan, so it has a soothing and nourishing effect on the skin. Also, complex bubbles, mabula po siya, kaya mas madali pong makalinis sa katawan. Tama po? And these are the amazing ingredients which you can do your own research with kasi ang dami niya pong functions ng mga ingredients na ito. Okay? Ayan. Konti lang po, goes a long way. Okay? So, that ends my presentation. I hope masosold out po bukas or the next week yung ating product. So, thank you very much for listening.